Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. I put in some adjustable control arms. I put new springs in, but as you can see, my rear pinion angle needs to come up a little bit. So what I need to do is I got adjustable control arms. We're gonna pull the upper control arms out. We're gonna adjust our pinion angle and then reset our adjustable control arms, our new ones, put them in to correct the pinion angle. Because an angle like that could give us vibration, but it'll make that CV joint wear out a lot quicker. So there's many ways to do this, and this is the way I'm going to do it. I'm going to remove one control arm to start off with, and one control arm only. And then before I remove the second one, I got a block underneath, and I got a bottle jack. I'm going to stick that bottle jack underneath the rear differential, and I'm going to jack it up just a little bit, not too much, just so it starts to go up. And then I'm going to remove the second control arm. However, for a safety reason, I got jack stands underneath the axle, and I got jacks on the frame in case the jacks kick out from the axle from whatever reason from adjusting the angle. Got to have a safety. So now both control arms are out. So now I'm going to adjust my pinion angle so that it just has a very slight bend. So I'm just setting it up. But you also have to pay attention to your springs as well. You don't want your springs to be bent in a weird angle. That means you have to adjust your control arms. So my pinion angle look good. Putting the new control arms in. Be sure to torque them down to the proper specs afterwards. I got them all installed. Tightening up the jam nuts. Everything's looking good. I'm just going to remove the bottle jack now. And once your upper control arms are in, the differential shouldn't budge at all. And then I'm just going to pull that bottle jack out of the way. Bottle jacks work awesome for this situation. For reference, that's how the pinion angle looked before. And then that's the corrected pinion angle afterwards. So right now with the jack stands underneath the axle underneath its own weight, you can just see that the rear differential just has a slight bend. That's exactly what I want, not like that steep bend before, which will cause problems. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.